to share with you this journal, which if you watched my last two journals, they were on Let's Make, and it was Let's Make a Traveller's Notebook. So I just kind of done the basics on it. So if you want to go back and watch them, you can do. So I've now decorated it all, and I'm just going to do a flip through of what I've done. I actually done the cover on the second video on this series, and the only thing that I didn't add on there was the butterfly, the bling, the cheesecloth, and this bling here. That is the paper that I've used. It's been sewn onto coffee dyed paper. There is 100 pages front and back. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, and this will also be listed in my shop if you're interested. So it kind of turned out quite chunky, as you can see. So I used digital paper from ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose. I've used elements from my Porch Prints, I think, and the Old Design Shop. And if there's anything else, I'll mention that as we go through. So this is ARTYmaze, and it's the Floral collage, I think. Yes, I think it is. So we've got pockets are packed. There's lots going on. This is a Terri Woods, excuse me, Terri Woods flip out pocket. And I have just decorated that with some scraps and a butterfly and a doily. We have got a large tag which has been coffee dyed, stamped and stenciled. All the papers are either tea or coffee dyed. That's from Tsunami Rose. We've got another tag there. This tag is a napkin, and I put book page onto a tag, then I put the napkin on, then I backed it with some lined paper, and then I've sewn it all. So does that go in there? It might do. Yep. And this is just a little booklet. This is from ARTYmaze, and this is from Dreams Etc. Excuse me. We have a doily and some corner punching, done that in the previous videos. Paper bag, some book page. This is Tsunami Rose. Just checking them in frame. I always do that last. Well, after the video started. This is the Old Design Shop. Here we just have some little tags using index cards that I've cut down. We have a tri-fold journal piece, and that's just paper clipped on there. Some crocheted fabric tabs. This is one of the background papers from the Floral collage kit. Some ephemera, a tag, another tag. This is just a little journal card that I've folded in half. That's from Tsunami Rose. And another journal tag there that flips up. That's a Rita Donnelly inspired corner tuck. There's lots of journal space, and I've obviously glued something there. We've got a flip up, flip down. It's got a little pocket there with a little mini postcard in there. We've got a tag and an Edith Holden tag. I just used one of the pages and cut it in half, and the other one's the other side. So there's so much journaling space, not just with the pages, but you know, on all the additional bits like tags and ephemera. You can decorate them, you can write on them. I mean, this would be great to maybe put some napkin on as well and just decorate that up nicely to your taste. Journal card, that's from my Porch Prints. The other side of the signature. Here we just have another tag, another tri-fold journal piece. I don't actually know what to call them. These are from Tsunami Rose. got a flip up, flip down. You can do a little bit of journaling there. And that's the other Edith Holden tag, and another coffee dyed and stenciled and stamped tag. Another Rita Donnelly corner flip. Here we just have another tag from Dreams Etc, and I've backed them onto some index cards so you can write on the back of them. This is another journal card just folded in half, and that pops in there. That's another journal card that I made, tag, sorry. Another napkin, sorry, napkin tag, and another tag that I stamped and stenciled. Some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Excuse me. Another journal card here. This is from the old design shop. Again, you could napkin decoupage on that, or you could actually maybe somehow make that into a tuck or a pocket and have it all flip out. Just use your imagination. More writing space. This is a Terri Woods inspired double pocket flip out, and we have a tag, another little booklet. You can see where it was starting to burn on the paper then. Tiffany & Co tag. This tag's been backed onto some lined paper. That's a freebie from ARTYmaze. And then another large tag there. And as you've seen me do these a million times now probably, it all folds out and everything just pops back in. So like I said, I have the video on how I constructed this, and this is it all decorated. I will link everyone below. ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose. That's the back page, isn't that rose beautiful? And this will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.